Hello children, hope you all are doing good. So children, today we are going to learn about shapes. Let's begin. Learning outcomes. Students will be able to recognize and name different shapes. Draw various shapes. So children, how do you know the difference between the objects? Like this is a table, hut, wall clock, Ludo game. Yes, by their shapes. So all these objects are having different shapes. So today we will learn about different shapes. What is this? Which shape is this? Yes, a square. So children, what is a square? Let's see. A square has four sides. You can see 1, 2, 3 and 4. It has 4 sides. All the sides of a square are always equal. A square has 4 corners. This is corner and you can see 1, 2, 3 and 4. It has 4 corners. Squares around us. You can see this is a clock, painting, Ludo game, chess game, biscuit and slices of bread. You can see this painting. All the sides are equal. Same clock. All the sides are equal. So, all these objects are having square shape. So, children, which shape is this? Yes, rectangle. Do you know what is a rectangle? Yes, a rectangle has 4 sides. You can see 1, 2, 3 and 4. A rectangle has 4 sides. Opposite sides of the rectangle are always equal. You can see this side is opposite to this side and this side is opposite to this side. Means opposite sides of the rectangle are always equal. A rectangle has 4 corners. You can see 1, 2, 3 and 4. It has 4 corners. Okay, can you guess the shapes? See, this is a table. And what is the shape of this table? Rectangle. Yes, you can see this is a door. And you can guess the shape? Yes, rectangle. Wow, chocolate. I know you all love to eat chocolates. So, what is the shape of this chocolate? Yes, rectangle. And you can see the opposite side of this LCD. Opposite sides are equal. You can see this side is opposite to this side and this side is opposite to this side. So, what is the shape? Rectangle. Okay, you can see this is a mat. What is the shape? Rectangle. So children, what is this? Yes, which shape is this? Triangle. So tri means 3. You can see it has only 3 sides. So tri means 3. A triangle has 3 sides, 1, 2 and 3. And a triangle has 3 corners, 1, 2 and three corners. Okay, let's see triangles around us. You can see this birdie cap, ice cream cone, and what is the shape of this birdie cap? Triangle. And this is ice cream cone and shape is triangle. And see, this is the roof of this hut and shape is triangle. Wow, angry bird. You can see the shape? Yes, triangle. Then sandwich and pizza. So, can you guess the shape of this slice of pizza? Yes, it's triangle. So children, I hope you have understood the topic. So children, take care and goodbye.